And the Justice for SSR campaign has moved to Delhi now and is only getting bigger. Security has been beefed up at Jantar Mantar, where protesters have gathered in large numbers, demanding justice for the late actor. CRPF and RAF teams have also been deployed along with Delhi police personnel and women security at the site. Earlier today, Sushant's sister has also tweeted in support of the movement. Let's go across to my colleague Nalini, now joining us live with several of these protesters coming out in support for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Nalini, please share more details as to what is the sentiment amongst these people and the voices that you're getting for us.
Well, let me first get you the visuals from Jantar Mantar of exactly what is happening right here. And you can see there are people that are coming and lighting candles and putting flowers. That is Sushant Singh Rajput's photo that is kept on that chair, where all of these people are sitting, of course, being led by Ganesh and Ankita Acharya, who are both friends of Sushant Singh Rajput. Everybody is coming. You can see the candles and the diyas that are lit up right before his picture, Sushant Singh Rajput's picture, over here at Jantar Mantar. And what everybody is telling us is that this is going to be a 3-day hunger strike that Ganesh and Ankit are going to lead. And all of these people have come here to show their solidarity. They're all raising slogans, they're all carrying banners, asking for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, saying that Republic Media Network has also been at the forefront of this, and that is exactly why you can see Arnab Goswami, Sangharsh Karo, Bharatvasi aapke saath hai. So all of these statements that are being raised by these people here, they're showing their solidarity not only with Sushant Singh's family as well as his friends, but also with Republic Media Network, who has been leading this fight for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. And let me just get you a sense of the number of people that have gathered here. You can see throughout this road there are people that are gathered in groups that are raising slogans and raising placards and demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. People have come in from Mumbai, people have come in from Bihar, people have come in from Uttar Pradesh, from Haryana, from Delhi. All around, people have all come here to show their solidarity, to stand with both Ankit as well as Ganesh and demand justice for Sushant Singh Rajput and demand accountability from the CBI to ensure that some of the answers are given to all of these millions of fans of Sushant Singh Rajput who are all here raising their voices, saying that enough is enough, it's time for action, and the CBI needs to come out with details now. It's been a very long time since the 14th of June when this entire unfortunate incident happened, and the anger amongst these people just continues to rise because they are not getting answers for exactly what went down, what were the suspicious and mysterious circumstances under which Sushant Singh Rajput lost his life. And that is why even young kids, you can see over here, are holding up banners, supporting Republic Bharat, supporting Ankit and Ganesh, supporting Sushant Singh Rajput, and saying that justice needs to be delivered. Insaf hona chahiye is what everybody is saying. This is irrespective of age. People from across all age brackets are here. People from several states are here. So this is not any movement that is uniting these people. The only reason for uniting these people is their love for Sushant Singh Rajput, and it is only for that that they are here. We're given to understand from the people from the CRPF who are also present here that they are going to be given permission only till 5 p.m. to continue this protest, and they're going to ask him to clear out this area after 5 p.m. But considering the number of people that have gathered here today and considering the crowd that you can see in your frames at Jantar Mantar, it seems difficult that the CRPF will be able to even move these people after 5 p.m. because they are extremely resolved and they are extremely agitated, trying to ensure that this fight, this campaign that is now being spearheaded by Ankit and Ganesh can actually lead to some fruitful results where they can get the answers that they are demanding, because at the end of the day, that's all they want. They want answers to be given to them by the CBI. They want to know what stage the investigation is at and why people have not been arrested for Sushant Singh Rajput's death, because all of these people very, very strongly believe that this is a case of murder, this is not a case of suicide, which is why the investigation in this case needs to be extremely thorough. Several slogans raised against the Maharashtra government, against the Mumbai police for trying to derail this entire investigation, against the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray himself, saying that he needs to come out and answer as to why the Maharashtra government is trying to protect the accused, is trying to brush away this entire case under the carpet, and it is for that very reason and with those very sentiments that all of these people have gathered here today at Jantar Mantar, taking a walk, demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. The sheer number of people and the kind of slogans that you can raise here today at Jantar Mantar should give you an idea of the kind of fandom that Sushant Singh Rajput actually enjoyed and the number of fans that are there in the country and what an impact he's left on all of these people who've today come out on streets demanding justice for him because they're sick and tired of waiting and they want answers now. So a lot of patience of these people is running out. They're demanding answers from the CBI. They're demanding accountability and they're saying that it's high time that people come out and give them answers because they deserve it. And it is for this very reason that they're standing in solidarity with Sushant Singh Rajput's family, with Ganesh and Ankit, who've been here since 8 a.m. in the morning and are going to be holding a hunger strike. It's a big movement being carried on at Jantar Mantar right now, the heart of the national capital. The campaign seems to have shifted from Mumbai to New Delhi, and the visuals of that, the results of that are in front of you for see. The number of people that are here demanding justice and raising slogans for Sushant Singh Rajput, demanding justice for him.
All right, thank you so much, Nalini, for getting us an entire update from Jantar Mantar. Clearly, there is anger and support for Sushant Singh, justice for Sushant Singh Rajput's campaign growing only louder with the number of people increasing in coming out in support here in the national capital.